I'm an HVAC service technician with 17 years in the field and a background as a nuclear power electrician. Today we're comparing the Bryant 575C and the ACiQ PGB4 series packaged gas furnaces. On paper, both heat and cool your home. But once you look past the sales brochures, there are some key ownership differences you need to know. Most homeowners think the biggest question is which brand is more efficient. In my experience, that's only part of the story. What really matters is what you'll spend owning, servicing, and installing it over the next 15 to 20 years. Bryant requires you to purchase and install through an authorized dealer network. ACiQ allows direct sales to independent contractors. Mechanically, both units are entry-level basic models with very similar internal specs. They include single-stage gas valves, single-speed blower motors, and single-stage compressors. Both use the new R454B refrigerant. When it comes to efficiency, both are rated at 81% ACiQ for heating and 13.4 SEER for cooling. ACiQ tells you how much gas turns into heat, so about 81 cents of every dollar goes into heating your house. SEER measures how efficiently it cools on electricity during the summer. Because both models share identical efficiency ratings, your monthly utility bills will be virtually identical. Looking at physical construction, cabinet protection is where these two units start to differ. The Bryant features heavy-duty louvered panels. The ACiQ PGB4 uses a wire coil guard, leaving the aluminum fins more exposed. Metal louvers offer full perimeter shielding against hail and yard debris. A wire grill leaves the coil fins more exposed to physical damage over time. On warranty coverage, both manufacturers back these units with 10-year parts and compressor warranties. The main difference on paper is heat exchanger coverage, where Bryant provides a lifetime warranty and ACiQ offers 20 years. Here's what the sales brochure will not tell you. The brand name matters far less than installation quality. A top-tier unit installed poorly on leaky ductwork will perform worse than a basic unit installed by a careful technician. Because packaged gas units sit outside year-round routine, annual maintenance determines reliability. Market listings show equipment-only pricing for the ACiQ PGB4, generally between $2,800 and $3,500. The Bryant 575C is sold as a complete turnkey quote through local dealers, typically between $6,000 and $9,000 fully installed. If you have a trusted independent contractor, the ACiQ PGB4 offers incredible upfront value. However, if you prefer turnkey dealer backing, full louvered cabinet protection, and a lifetime heat exchanger warranty, the Bryant 575C is a solid choice. If it were my money, I'd choose the ACiQ PGB4 with a skilled independent installer to save significant upfront capital. You get the same everyday heating and cooling performance while spending less upfront.